Hey, hi, hello friends, I'm back. Hitesh here. Um, I was supposed to complete this program. Let me get into the depth of this. Okay. Things are not clear yet. I mean, there are some things that I skipped to explain you. Uh, Let me tell you. Here in clear screen, can you see like each and every statement when I'm writing, I'm putting semicolon over here. Okay. Here also, you can see here I'm putting one semicolon. Again here 2 I'm putting one semicolon. So in C++, each and every statement should be terminated by semicolon. So that is important. If you don't put, you'll get error. So let's say if I don't put semicolon over here, and if I try to compile my program, Alt F9, if I compile, you can see two errors are there. So you're getting somewhere called statement missing semicolon. So you're getting, that's why you're getting a compound statement, so which is not correct. So statement missing, so you have missing semicolon somewhere, it's telling me. So I'll just put this semicolon over here. Second more thing, something that you pass in C out, that has to be inside double inverted comma. Whenever you write something inside double inverted comma, it is displayed as it is. Just remember this, something you pass inside double inverted comma, it is displayed as it is. I hope it is clear for you guys. Okay, cool. Next thing. Okay, let's say this you understood. I told you something about comments. Comments is the non-executable part of my program. Okay, so it is something compiler avoids to run. I mean to compile. When if you comment something out, it's something that does not exist in your program. It's commenting out that part. Compiler will not read or it will not compile that particular statement which is commented out. Okay, so that's the scenario over here. So let's see, I told you something before that we are using these two packages. Why we are using these two packages, that I'm going to discuss now. So let's see, I am using this conio.h over here. Sorry, yeah, my mobile was ringing. Let it be, I'll continue. Okay, what you will do is I have conio dot sorry, yeah, iostream.h and conio.h over here. So in this conio.h, what I'll do is I'll comment out this conio.h. Okay, so let's say this conio.h is not there, correct? That means I haven't mentioned conio.h, it's that way. So let's see if I compile this program, alt F9. So you're getting two errors. Okay, let's see what are the two errors. Enter. So can you see there are two errors, that is for clear screen and for ch. So that error is should have a prototype. Function clear screen should have a prototype. So that means we don't have a prototype for that. Prototype means, as I told you previously, if a doctor visits at your home, he should have his backpack with him. Okay, so if he don't have that backpack with him, so he won't be able to use all his materials. So here in this thing, our materials, as we consider that scenario of doctor, these are two tools which we cannot use until we have that toolbox with us. Understanding? So previously it was there. That's the reason we were using that. But right now, when I commented that out part, that means that toolbox is not there. And if that toolbox is not there, that means you cannot use those tools. Cool. I hope you understood. So that's the way. Means this conio.h is one package which is having two functions, that is clear screen and getch. If you're not using that conio.h package, so you won't be able to use this clear screen and getch function. That's the scenario. Okay, if I just comment, I will remove that comment. If I compile this, you can see that error is not there. Fine. Next, I'll talk about iostream.h. If I comment this part, so where you will get your error. Let's see why we are using this iostream.h. So if I compile this, you can see one error is there. What is that one error? If I press enter, you can see undefined symbol cout. Means C++ is unable to understand what is this cout. Now this cout is again one part of iostream.h. If you don't have iostream.h package imported in your program, you won't be able to use that cout, because cout is some tool which we are using from a toolbox called iostream.h. Guys, it's not toolbox, it's package. Just for your understanding purpose, I am telling you it's kind of toolbox. I am okay. I hope you understood. iostream.h is one package which is having this cout. Okay, and one more thing we have in this cin, which is basically used for input. Cout, you understood. It helps me to give something on output screen. That way we have cin, that is console input, that helps me to take input from console screen. So these are two things that are inside iostream.h. Hopefully understood. And one more important thing, don't use semicolon over here. Why? I'll tell you. Because this is my void pane. As I told you, this is head, and here what we have is body for that head. So if where you use that semicolon basically to terminate that statement. So if you put semicolon over here, that means you're terminating your void main. That means if you're terminating your head from body, that means you don't have any relation between your head and body. So that's wrong. If you terminate your head from your body, then there will be no relation. I hope you understood. So that's it. Don't use this when you're using this clear screen. This is you're calling a function, so here you can put semicolon. So that is not wrong. Here also you can put semicolon, because here you're not going to define your function, you're not going to put body for this function. This is something inbuilt function that just you're using for our some concern, for my some purpose. So that's the way. So each and every statement should be terminated by using semicolon. Don't forget this. Okay. um, this was something which was really basic about the structure of the C++. If you know these parts, then we can go ahead and we can work with the um, variable concept. In my next video, I will talk about more about more detail about the variables. What is variables? Okay. So that's way. Let's see. I'll meet you in my next video about variables. I'll talk about variables in that. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.